Hello everybody, this is broken Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 model, and the actual screen is smashed, shattered completely. So the phone does turn on, nothing on the display. So we're gonna replace the screen. There are two types of screen you can buy. One of them like that, like my one, which comes with the frame. So you need to pull out every single component from that one to replace in here and put the back cover on, then it should be fine. This is one type that I'm talking about. This one, the job would take a little bit of time obviously, but it would be much more easier and you don't have to put the messy glue or adhesive under the screen. Okay, and the other type, you can buy only screen itself without the frame, which one save time, but the glue, everything, honestly the outcomes comes very like handy type, no professional. Okay, so that's the one we're going to use it today to replace it. So first is first, before you replace any screen or to get access into the phone, make sure you do two things before you forget. Switch off. If it's not possible, then you don't have any choice, but take out the SIM tray at least. Okay, this is the common mistake people does. This is the actual SIM tray. There is no SIM anyway, and that is camera, so don't worry about it. Now we're gonna heat this up with my hair dryer, and let me show you which tools that I'm using. I kept this PCB cleaner, which is called motherboard cleaner. It's a kind of proper alcohol, just to make the adhesive softer. And also we do have flat opening tool, which is the metallic one, and plastic paper one is right here. Okay, all right. So today we're going to replace the screen for that one. Straight away, let's get to the point. Now SIM tray already opened up. We're going to apply some heat with the hair dryer. Alright, so it seems this is warm enough. Now we're gonna use kind of suction cup to pull out the back cover and put this in. Make sure you keep it protected because there is the lens, so if any dart goes in there, the screen wouldn't be, the camera would be very blurry. So I keep it safe as well. Now I'm going to disconnect all those flags that we can see. First of all, I'm going to try with the battery. Second one, the screen or whatever, charging, volume and power button, and the volume flags, and the camera also we can. But we'll see the camera if it comes straight away with this. Okay, so this one goes from outside to inside. Make sure you keep it in your mind, don't forget about this. All right, outside to inside. And now let's disconnect this Wi-Fi antenna, and then the actual front facing camera, which is secured with few screws. Don't forget about it. Okay. We're going to take out this bracket first. Alright, so keep it organized. Disconnect it, the actual flat. There is one screw should be here, right there. Let's check this out. Which screw is not visible? Can you see that? It was absolutely invisible. So don't forget about this. So that's the actual main board. And this camera also does secure with one screw right here. And there is one flexus right here which is stick to the mid frame. Now this one we need to pull this out in that way, as you can see. One facing camera, and now the actual frame should come out without any issue. Okay, so first of all we need to put it back in right here. Alright, so before we reattach, I'm just gonna check. Now we're gonna put this back into the place here. And the repair is done. Now we're going to check if this one does charge or not. And if it charges, then our job will be done. It's charging. So that's how we replace the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure leave it in the comment section if you do have any comment. Thank you. Bye for now.